Hello everyone. Now we are going to revise the poem Fog written by Carl Sandburg. First the introduction. Carl Sandburg was a well-known American editor and poet. He has won 3 Pulitzer Prizes. Most of his poems were about the Chicago city where he lived. Among his many collections of the poems, The Fog is the shortest poem, but still this poem has strong reflections about nature. This poem does have a deeper and stronger meaning. Here is the poem and its explanation. The fog comes on little cat feet. Here, the poet is comparing fog to a little cat. A little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city, and the cat sits and looks over the harbor and the city on silent haunches. Haunches here means knees bent situation, and then moves on. This is it. The poem has only these lines. The fog comes on little cat feet means the fog comes like cat, quietly like a cat. It sits like a cat and watches over harbor and city as a cat sits and watches on silent haunches. Silent haunches means silently as the cat sits over her knees or his knees and watches here and there around him or her. Similarly, the fog also comes and watches here and there and then after some time moves on. The cat moves on and the fog moves on. Now we'll be talking the literary devices of this poem. There is no rhyme in the poem. It can be termed as blank verse. If there is no rhyming in the poem, there is no rhyming scheme and the poem is said to be blank verse. Because if we see first line comes, second is feet, then looking, then city, bend, no rhyming line there at all. Then we have metaphor. Metaphor here, fog is compared to the cat. So figure of speech metaphor is used here. Then enjambment, as you are already told that enjambment is a figure of speech in which the same line is continued in the next line as well without using any figure of speech, without using any punctuation mark. That is figure of speech enjambment. Then comes personification. Fog has been personified here. Then we'll quickly recapitulate the poem. It is a poem that reflects Carl Sandburg's interest in nature. It beautifully captures the moment when the fog comes and moves. He presents a powerful image of life through a metaphorical cat. He compares the cat to the fog and fog to the cat. Its meaning is centered on the fog in the Chicago city. The poet compares the fog with the cat because the cat also comes with soft paws and without giving any sign of its arrival. The same is the case with fog, as it approaches exactly in a similar way. The poet is saying about the fog, which is generally seen during winter season, and it is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. The next poet says that the fog has covered the city and harbor completely and it appears as a cat is sitting by folding its legs and looking around. Similarly, fog also behaves. Fog behaves like a cat. Poet also described the silent and unpredictable departure of the fog because the departure of fog is also unpredictable. Nobody knows when the fog is going to come and when going to leave. Similar things takes place with cats as well. But the question, one more question arises here. Why has the poet chosen a cat to compare the fog? We can understand it this way. A cat is an independent animal. It does not follow rules. It slips and slides in and out of our lives as it pleases, just like fog. Fog is also independent and cat is also independent. They both know no boundaries. Cats also have the habit of finding a place which gives them an overview of a landscape or a territory. They can sit or lie for hours in this elevated state like fog. Cats become totally relaxed, but when they want to move, they do so usually on their own terms. Before you know it, they have disappeared, faded away into the undergrowth, leaving only their aura behind. Same with fog. Thank you everyone for watching.